Hey guys, have a look at this. Security camera from Uniden. It's called the Solo X. Now it uses the 4G cellular network so that while you're away from home, you can have security watching your valuable assets. Things from like a caravan or a boat, even the front gate or the shed. Now the way it works is it's got 7 days of cloud backup, right? And a built-in SD card. Now, it's 60 days. It'll last for 60 days on a battery in standby mode. Or you can put a solar panel on it and run it continuously. Mate, it's even got an alarm, voice activation, and get this, you can also pan. Now it's full HD, it's actually 2K, so it's a really clear picture. It's even got a spotlight on here so it can detect at night. And with the AI human detection, it's not gonna get a false trigger from a cat or a tree or something like that. Mate, this thing is the bomb. If you want to protect the things that are valuable to you and you're away from home, this is the go. The Solo X from Uniden.